Here we have crypto.com, symbol CRO versus the dollar. We've been following up on this one for the past few weeks here. One of the best charts in cryptocurrency land. Obviously, they have a lot of good fundamental things going on. Looks like we have hit our, Jesus Christ, our 73-cent target right here, and we are seeing extremes on daily BBWP, and even daily RSI should be putting in a bit of bearish divergence here with any sort of confirmed local high. Now, to be fair, this is in no way, shape, or form bearish, and I'm not calling like a macro long-term high here, but I do think that this is starting to be an area that you would be traditionally looking for on a pullback, and pullbacks can come back down to like half a buck or so, anywhere between about 50 to 55 cents or so. 4 hour, we do see obviously extremes on BBWP yet again. We see 4 hour 1, 2, 3 drives of bearish divergence come off of these highs right there. And yeah, I do think that this one may be short-term bouncy, yes, and very likely is short-term bouncy, but as long as you're closing even hourlies below about 75.5 cents, I would be looking for this one to trade sideways and downwards from here and put in a bit of a local high, consolidate a little bit lower, and then long-term very likely does continue. I would not be surprised at all, maybe even later this week, but very likely next week to see new all-time highs actually. The weekly is still good, the monthly is obviously still very good. At some point, this thing's going to pull back, and the pullback can be absolutely fucking brutal. This thing could pull back 50% and still be on a monthly long-term bullish. That's the problem when you go parabolic like this, but it's very, very good. I just want to see it from this angle as well to see if this kind of agrees with me. And daily Stokes will turn down below 69.5 cents. Okay, we are below there right now, to be fair. Weekly turns down below 66 cents. Okay, getting close. 4 hour is turning down already below 76 cents, and hourly is flippy floppy, but down as long as below 73 cents. So I'm a lot more inclined to say that this one has seen a local high right here. We've hit pretty much all of our upside targets at this point, and I mean, I think it's kind of relevant to be looking for a bit of a pullback after just a phenomenal run like this. I'm not calling a macro high here. I'm just calling very likely a high. Might test around the current highs today. Be aware of the invalidation. And I suppose if the invalidation is hit, where am I looking towards after that? Like 85 cents, I guess. I mean, I don't think that that's very likely before first playing out a pullback, but still a very good long-term chart. Very, very good long-term chart here. I just think that it is a little bit more short-term toppy here. We're just it's just the probabilities are on that side right now with the way that we're working off extreme conditions here. So hopefully that's helpful, and there you go for crypto.com, sir.